welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Guess what? Hubby planned a trip to Canada on the Carnival Venezia, which is the newest carnival ship with the Italian theme. Loved it. I wanted to share a little bit with you. We left out of New York City. It was a little cool, but you know, we're going to Canada. It's okay. I just wanted to show you some snippet of the ship, how my trip was. At the end of the video, ladies, you can check out my newest jewelry I got from Canada, Halifax in particular, from this couple who are jewelers, and I just love it. I think I'm gonna have to order some of their merchandise online. All right, so you think this is something to be interested in, then ladies, you know what to do. Keep on watching. Ladies, if you're not all about fun, then Carnival's not for you. It isn't. If you're like uptight, this is not the ship for you. It is beautiful and it's fun. A lot of activities, great DJ, wonderful cruise director. I mean, he had us hyped from the beginning. I just love it. The rooms are beautiful with the Italian theme. This is a suite and I just love it. I just thought it was really cute. You can see the pillows and the backdrop. We also have a little balcony. It's a little smaller than the traditional carnival. And here's hubby. He wants to show us the bathroom. All right, this is the bathroom. They got rid of the shower curtains and it's a little furniture for the decor. In Canada, St. John's, we had to stop at Steamers because we are seafood foodies. This was ranked one of the best places to eat in St. John's, Canada, and just wanted to show you. So we decided to go with dinner for two, and it came with a variety of food. I think that's another YouTuber over there. I can't remember her name. So we went with the clam chowder, which is, it's not really clam chowder. One is clam chowder, the other one is seafood chowder, which is what they do in this area. And then we also had some mussels, which was delish, and of course they are known for their lobster. And so I just had to take a picture in front of their flag. On the Carnival Venezia, the show was excellent. I love the show. These are new shows that they put together, and a lot of times people complain about carnival shows are not up to par because they tend not to buy licensed shows from Broadway. They tend to let their creative director be creative, and I thought they did a really good job. On the Carnival Venezia, they have a specialty Italian restaurant. So we went there to try out their Italian dish they had for two, and it was delicious. It also came with a nice dessert with Italian theme. So we thought it was just so wonderful. So if you're on the Venezia, I would like to encourage you to try some of their specialty dining, especially the Italian theme dining. You will love it. The desserts were excellent. Our second stop on our trip was Halifax, Nova Scotia. Guys, I was so excited to come here because I taught history class about the black and white loyalists who the British relocated to Canada, but didn't see any excursions about that, so I was so disappointed. But I did find on my own this statue that paid homage to many of the black nurses, so that's what I was showing you about the volunteers and basically the women's suffrage in Halifax, Nova Scotia. So that was interesting to find, but I was kind of saddened that they really didn't have any kind of excursion. So my husband and I decided to sit down and take in the cool breeze on the pier. The country is so beautiful. We decided to walk along their boardwalk just to see what they had going on, since I was kind of disappointed with the historical stuff. So we found a candy store called Sugar, so that was really cute. They had lots of old candies in the store that's not even sold in America anymore, so that was kind of interesting. So we decided to load up on the junk food. On the way back to the ship, we decided to check out the Canadian Museum of Immigration. Inside here, they also had a market, and I found one of the best jewelers. I also found an exhibit that they had on Africaville, which was what I was looking for. It was telling you the history of Black Nova Scotian, many of whom were from America and Maryland in particular, which I found quite interesting. Unfortunately, the people there were not treated well. And the people are still fighting for their land today, which I thought was just sad commentary. They shared a lot of their culture in this exhibit, and you can see the parallel between Black Nova Scotian and the culture of Black Americans of the South. The church was very important to them. Music was very important to them. Guys, it was really sad to learn that the Black loyalists who helped the British and were given land, that their land was stolen from them from the government of Halifax, Nova Scotia, and they placed the descendants in ghettos, which is such an awful commentary. The people are still fighting for their land, and if you're interested, just contact the QR code. Ladies, I had to show you the jewelry I was able to acquire in Canada from a husband and wife team. I'll put their name on the screen. I was able to get something from their sailing collection. I was able to get earrings, a beautiful necklace, and this beautiful bangle. If you look at the bangle carefully, you can see that it is a sale. And then I was also able to get a piece of jewelry that was made from seashells. Like I always say, don't forget to enjoy life's sweetest things. And ladies, sometimes it's a getaway. Until next time, bye.